Hello, my Government 2305 students. I want to just drop you a quick video on the POTUS memo project to really emphasize the importance of it. This is our departmental project, and so it's imperative that you achieve the minimum requirements. I'm going to go over a couple of those to really emphasize that point. Failure to achieve a couple of these will result in you having to resubmit the paper with a point penalty, and if you don't achieve these minimums, you cannot pass this class regardless of what your average is otherwise. So we've got to get these done. First and foremost, you must have scholarly resources. You need 3 of them. Scholarly means peer-reviewed journals. This is not something you'll find, it's not just a website link. It'll be something with the name journal in it, or policy usually has an issue and a volume number. You need those kind of things. Your library has excellent resources for you to easily search for these. Just make sure you click peer-reviewed scholarly journals and contact the librarian if you're having any trouble with those things. The second thing is you also need to have in-text citations. This is when you're reading along and then at the end of something you see a parentheses and someone's last name and usually a page number depending on which formatting you're using, APA or MLA or what have you. There's different rules. When you go to Blackboard, I changed it. It just said term project. Now it actually says POTUS proposal, so it shouldn't be misleading. Click that and it gives you step by step on how to complete this project. We really want you to succeed and get this done. So be sure to visit this soon and get this done correctly. And at the bottom I gave you writing resources where I re-emphasize this point for scholarly resources, and I gave you a link to a website that will help you with in-text citations if you need more instruction on how to complete those appropriately. But beyond that, there's a term paper sample. I would print that out and mimic that. Make sure you got the length right, you got in-text citations, your cover page is right, all these things. I hate to ding people for things like cover pages and stuff like that and those are such easy points to get and hard points for me to take off, and that can really impact your grade. So just to reemphasize one more time, it's imperative that you achieve at least these minimum standards, otherwise you cannot pass this class. We have to have this in. This is our departmental project. So this is what all your classmates are doing, whether they're taking my government class or somebody else's 2305 classes. This is our project. And so please email me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you and make sure we achieve the deadline. If there's anything else you can think of, I'll share with the class if a good question comes forward that I think everyone could benefit from. So keep an eye on your email and announcements, and let's be finishing strong here. So I've enjoyed you this semester, and this is be our last hurrah on this final term paper. Have a good one.